Do you have an important event coming up that you are super excited about, but then you're not sure what kind of makeup you want to wear, what kind of dress? First thing first, before you decide anything, you to get your skin prepped. And for that, I got you, girl. Hi, my name is Maureen, makeup artist. I'm also a skincare extraordinaire. So I am going to share with you different masks that you can apply before that big day, so your skin looks flawless and your makeup application is even flawless. Let's jump into the video. As you all know that I say this a lot, to drink water. So the more water you drink, the better it is for your skin. Okay, so I washed my face with a Mary Kay Volu-Firm repair cleanser. As you all know, the line that I use, anti-aging, a very gentle cleanser. And while washing my face, I used the Shea Sugar Scrub from Mary Kay. I am now going to use the Shea Butter Balm. So before Mary Kay came into my life, I was a chapstickaholic person. I would apply chapsticks over and over and over again. Now what I learned after coming to Mary Kay is that a lot of chapsticks, especially Carmex, they're alcohol based. So the goal is to dry out your lips even more so you can keep buying the product. And so I was like, oh, that's why, like, my lips weren't getting much help, and then my lips felt even drier, and then I kept buying more product. My life has changed for the better. My lips thank me every day. As a part of the nighttime routine, I just use the Mary Kay Satin Lips Shea Sugar Scrub, and I just scrub my lips. And after that, I go in with the Shea Butter Balm. Now, the Butter Balm is really just the balm. It does not have any alcohol whatsoever in this product, so this is really, really comforting and soothing for the lips. It's not heavy, but it's just there, you know, it's very light. And I go to bed and I wake up, I still have the balm on my lips. And I like to sleep at least 6 to 8 hours a night, because sleep is very important for your skin as well, especially the under eyes area. So what we're gonna do today to tackle those under eye bad boys is I am going to take the Mary Kay Hydrogel Patches. It comes in a little container like this. Isn't this cute? And then you can open this up, and there is a spoolie right on it, and then there is a lid on it. So you take the spoolie, and I will pop this lid off. The Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches come in pairs. So these are the pairs, like right here, and they are 30 in one container. Hydrogel Eye Patches hydrate, cool, soothe, and depuff your eyes. Hydrogel Eye Patches are very much in trend on social media. So there's a lot of like gold eye patches. There's a lot of different ones, and I'm not here to bash anything, but the way that the girls are putting these on, oh my gosh, like they're doing it the other way around. So they'll have the big portion by the corner of the eye, and this corner sticking out. I think it's turning to be a pet peeve for me. I'm like, dude, can you not, like, can you please follow the directions? So the corner is supposed to go to match the eye corner here, and then the rest is supposed to go there. Okay, that's the rant of the day. And do the same here. Now you guys see how saturated it is? Do you see how much product I have on my hands? I'm not going to waste any of it and then put it all over my eye. So my eye is going to get the lift from under here and from the top here. Now the next thing is to work on the face. So I am going to take the charcoal mask. It is one of the best sellers that I have in my collection. My customers love it. I love it. My family loves it. I go through these a lot. So let's get started. In Mary Kay's applicator, it is a mask applicator, and it's a very silicone-y, so it doesn't hold on to any of the product, so we don't waste anything. Okay, so for curiosity's sake, I'm going to tell you what are some of the key ingredients that are included in the charcoal mask. So the charcoal mask has salicylic acid, activated charcoal, kaolin and bentonite clays, rosemary and peppermint extracts, honeysuckle, and navy bean extract. Triple action charcoal mask acts like a magnet to deep clean pores. Moreover, the activated charcoal also acts like a magnet to unclog and detoxify our pores. Mask is clinically shown to instantly absorb excess oil and reduce shine. Also, there was a study done where 79% of men and women agreed that their skin looks clearer after use. Rosemary and peppermint extracts deliver a fresh scent to awaken your senses. The smooth formula of the mask delivers a gentle cooling sensation. Since now you know all the goodness that this mask has, why not leave it for 20 to 30 minutes? The maximum that you can put on the mask is for 30 minutes, so I like to take the maximum benefit. If you don't have time, then 10 to 15 minutes is also ideal for the mask to dry. I will go ahead and dry my mask, check on my puppy. Okay, do you see how instantly my skin became brighter by just using the charcoal mask for 20 minutes? So next, what I'm going to do to prep my skin for the next day is that I am going to take a TimeWise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. You guys, this is from the Repair line, so this is obviously anti-aging, and this chemical peel is going to exfoliate my skin, so I'm going to double mask. So I'm going to take the facial peel and just pump a couple pumps, and I'm just going to apply. I'm not going to pull, massage my skin, and you should not feel any burning, but a tingle is fine. I am also going to take an extra pump for my neck. Don't forget that neck, you guys. It is also part of your facial peel. Is very crucial for your skincare regimen. So make sure that you are chemically peeling your skin. So we're going to give a good 10 minutes and then we'll be right back. Mary Kay's facial peel has glycolic acid, which basically gets rid of all the dullness on your skin. Not only skin looks brighter, skin texture is improved, fine lines and wrinkles look reduced. I am going to take the Moisture Renewal Gel Mask. This is an amazing addition to your charcoal mask, and this comes as a set, you guys. This is how Mary Kay designed it. The Moisture Renewal Gel Mask is the only mask that you can sleep with. The least you can put this mask on is for 10 minutes, but it gives you amazing benefits. If you are able to put it the night before on your skin, the next morning your skin appears less stressed, feels nourished, purified, and calm. It helps reduce the appearance of pores as well as fine lines and wrinkles. This product is dermatologist tested as well. So pretend this is the morning of the big day. You have 10 to 12 minutes to spare. Then this is exactly what I would do. I would take Mary Kay's pink clay mask and I would apply it all over my face. Again, taking it on a spatula like this. For more skin-loving benefits, this mask honestly resets the game and de-stresses with some floral-infused me time. The superstar ingredient plumeria extract is known to have antioxidant properties which help protect against free radicals on the skin. Now you can remove that in a pinky way with mineral-rich clay mask that leaves your skin with a natural glow. It honestly makes your skin look like a 12-year-old, and it's all set for the makeup. So I just did my skincare. My skin is now all ready and prepped for makeup. All the skincare that I shared in this video is good for all skin types. Anyone can use these steps to rejuvenate their skin, to brighten up their face, and now when you apply your makeup, the application is going to be so much smoother. The application is going to be so much better than before. I can promise you that. You guys, everything that I use in this video is listed in the description box below. You can find everything in my website. So let me know how I can serve you. If you have your own Mary Kay beauty consultant, you can go ahead and contact them, and if not, I am here for you all. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you are part of our community and you don't miss a single video. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.